Good morning. I woke up early just so I could start the day off right. It is currently like 7 o'clock and it is Saturday. I'm about to start doing my makeup. I took a shower and I blow dried my hair, so it is feeling pretty amazing. It's honestly no better feeling than clean hair. It's just funny because my hair is pretty much up all the time, so it's pretty dirty a lot of the time. Which sounds gross, but I promise you it's not as gross as it sounds. It's literally just hairspray. I feel like every time I wear my retainers, I talk with a lisp or something. So, in the process of starting to record, and now I honestly just started messing with my eyebrows, and now they're just becoming straighter and straighter. What's funny about this is I actually have always wanted straight eye. Oof, forgot I'm holding a razor for a second there. I've been wanting the straight eyebrow for a long time. My inspiration was Jasmine. I can't think of her last name right now, but I will put her somewhere in here. She is so beautiful and she is super into fitness and she is just slim thick, you know? But yeah, she's a person that made me want to have more of like a straighter eyebrow. But that was like sophomore year and they just did not look that great. But now I feel like I've gotten a lot better about it.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego.
Do y'all see that difference? Like it just looks more lifted. Anyway, so we're gonna do the same to this one. Really, I would pluck these eyebrow hairs out, but someone took my tweezers, so okay, I think this is as even as they're gonna get. My eyebrows are actually pretty uneven, but yeah, like I was saying, I definitely was not a vibe sophomore year. But recently I have been more into the natural fluffy looking brows, so we've definitely come along. They look a lot more even once I fill them in with my eyebrow pencil. What y'all think? I also probably look really funny with my little earphone mic, but the quality really just sounds a whole lot better when I wear it. So I just need to find me a little mic at this point, but it also gives me very much ASMR vibes when I'm editing my videos. So it does make it a lot more satisfying. I'm pretty much ready for work. So I'm gonna show you a quick outfit of the day.
We'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See cars out, got me big bad for Ronald.
I'm at work now. I truly do believe that when you look good, you feel good. It really does feel good to just wake up early and then like just not be rushing, or at least for me, I find doing my makeup very therapeutic. You just gotta wake up every day and get ready, and I promise you your day is gonna go by so much smoother because whatever inconvenience comes your way, it ain't gonna matter because at least you look good. I am gonna go get some food. This might be a little repetitive, but I'm getting Chick-fil-A.
I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family if you run off with the package. I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, ain't no telling what he saw. Real watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight them in a team. Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Hey, cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. rain. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get my face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes.
Good morning. It is nail day for me. Well, really, I only have one client, which is cool because I usually don't do nails on Sundays, but since I didn't have anything planned for today, I was just like, why not, you know? And she's actually one of my regulars, so I really didn't mind it. I fell asleep really early last night. I think it was like 9. Yeah, because whenever I was setting up my timer, okay. So really, I just wanted to take a 10-minute nap, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna set a timer for 10 minutes, and then after that, I'll get up and do something productive. So I set the timer, I fell asleep, and then honestly, I just don't even know why I keep doing that because every time I set a timer, it really never goes as planned, and I always end up pressing snooze and going to sleep. But yeah, that's what ended up happening yesterday. Put the timer, and then I woke up, pressed snooze, and then after that, it was game over. I just did not wake up until like today. I woke up at exactly 5 o'clock, and I was like, oh my gosh, like all my lights are still on, my TV was still going. So actually, recently I've been obsessed with this guy. His name is Bobby. Okay. I'm not even gonna try to say his last name because I really don't know how to say it. So I'll just put his name somewhere, and I'll also link his channel in my description box so you guys can check him out. One of my friends actually introduced me to him and told me that he listens to him. And so he's the one that really put me on, but I couldn't remember his name because I'm really bad about remembering names. But recently he actually came up on my suggested, and I was like, oh my god, it's that guy that my friend was talking about. I put one of his videos, and I swear now I just have his videos on a loop. So if you want to know what I listen to, everything he listens to is exactly what I listen to. His playlists are just fire, to be honest.
Mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco, got dope like Pablo.
Well, I'm finally done with the nail set. So, okay, I'm gonna show them, what's it called? Expectations. I'm really excited. So, this is Expectations. Okay, get into it with the ombre, the chrome. Okay. Oof, don't look at my nails though. And this is Reality. What do y'all think? Looks so good. Seeing her nail set made me want to just do mine because they're looking a little rough, okay? I'm thinking I'm just going to do a really simple set just because I don't want to do too much. I just want to have nails so that my hands look better. I'm probably just going to end up doing like a nude because I also don't want to take too long. So just solid. I guess we'll do short nails this time. I have not done short nails in a while, so we'll see about that one. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Capping like the narco.
Narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego.
It's 12 o'clock and I'm already done with my nails. So what do y'all think? Honestly, this is pretty new for me because first of all, I never really do this shape and I don't know. I feel like this is not really my style, but I really do like how clean they look. And now I kind of impulsively decided to do my toes. So I'm doing French tips on my toes too. Toes and nails.
We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water glass. See, cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the.
Oh my gosh, I literally have a whole eyelash floating. Saving it for later. I just came out of the gym. I'm actually about to go get a car wash. It's been raining recently over here in Texas, so sorry, I gotta fix my ponytail. Anyway, so my car is super dirty, so I'm probably gonna go get a car wash right now. Also gonna go and do my taxes with my mom. So not so fun, but kind of fun. Weird fact, I actually find filing your taxes kind of satisfying. I don't know why. I kind of want to learn how to do it myself just because recently, I don't know why, I just got into like credit and all of that. So I've been watching like YouTube videos on that. Super random, but once you get it, it's actually pretty interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna have my mom in my car, so I need to clean a little bit because it's looking a little rough right now.
I just put it back on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'm watched out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on the brain, going straight them in a G. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo.
My car is so clean now. I feel so much better and it smells so good. Okay, so a few things have happened since the last clip. I already went to go do my taxes and then I went to go eat with my mom and my siblings. But I got ready because I'm actually gonna go meet up with a friend. I'm super excited. I haven't seen her in a while. So I'm gonna show you a quick outfit of the day. Okay, so this is today's outfit. So I just have this leather sweater from Shein, H&M, Shein, my Dunks, and then I have this purse, which I'm gonna put my lip liners in. What do you think? Feeling real glamorous, real luxury, but everything is at a smart price. It's not about what you wear, but how you wear it. There you go. And then I also have like a little nose clip in my car, which I'm gonna probably put on because I really miss my nose piercing.
Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey, cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a pan while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped.
Okay guys, so I'm with Mariah, looking super cute. So we're gonna go to this place called HG Supply. She thinks it's really good. I've never been there, so we are about to try it.
Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes.
So change of plans, we're actually gonna go to, what is this place called?
It's called Eddie's Tex-Mex Cocina.
Yeah. The other place that we had went to, the menu didn't look that appealing to us.
It looks so gross.
Yeah, it looked kind of gross. So hopefully This is better.
Mama house, her man's a Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. The narco.
So we're about to go. It was so nice to see you. I missed you. We're so ugly for this. I'm finally in bed. I'm honestly really excited to be laying down right now. I'm just so glad I got to see Mariah today. She is definitely one of those friends where you can really just go a long time without talking, and then when you do talk, it's like there was never a time that y'all didn't stop talking. And even after it's been a while, we just always connect. And I feel like every time we hang out, it's always such right timing. But I'm gonna just close off this video here because I honestly just need to catch up with editing, and then I'm probably just gonna go to sleep. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.